Hola clase. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about ser y estar. So to be or to be, that is the question. So the Spanish verbs ser and estar are the equivalent of to be in English. But how do we know which one to use? So ser we use to talk about what something is. So we use it to describe characteristics, essential qualities. We use it for time and dates, place of origin or nationality, occupation, possession, and events. And estar, we use for physical or mental states, location, for progressive tenses. We can say we use it to talk about how something is. And here's a quick example. So for number one, María es una persona feliz. So here we use the verb ser. Maria is a happy person. That's part of the way she is. She's just a happy person. Versus number two, Maria está feliz. We're saying that she is happy now. It's her current emotional state, but it's not necessarily one of her qualities. Okay, so these are the conjugations for ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, usted es, nosotros somos, ustedes son, ellos o ellas son. And for estar, we have yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, ustedes están, ellos, ellas están. Now let's look into some examples for ser. So for time and dates, here we have the time. Son las 9:25. It's 9:25. Or dates. Hoy es martes. Today is Tuesday. For characteristics and essential qualities, we can say that ella es alta. She is tall. Or yo soy mujer. I am a woman. It's part of who I am. Place of origin and nationality. So place of origin, we can say mi maestro es de Cuba. My teacher is from Cuba. Or yo soy guatemalteca. That's my nationality. And there you go. There's the country and flag all in one. For occupation, él es maestro de español. Let's pretend there's an ñ here. Nosotros somos estudiantes. We are students. Possession es mi vida, right? It's my life. ¿De quién son estos calcetines? Son de Jimena. And lastly, events. Where is taking place? So someone can ask, ¿dónde es el baile? El baile es en el gimnasio. The dance is in the gym. Ahora para estar. Physical or mental states. Estamos cansados de comer. We are tired of eating. That doesn't happen to me, but it happens. Los gatos están enfermos. The cats are sick. So these are both physical states. Now, Jonás está triste. That's an emotional state. Jonah is sad. Teresa está enamorada. Teresa is in love. I know some of you guys are. It's a good thing. Location. El restaurante está en la esquina. Uh-oh, restaurant. The restaurant's in the corner. Nueva Jersey está en el este del país. New Jersey's in the east of the country. There's New Jersey. I'm from Union County. Estoy en el baño. I am in the bathroom. And for the progressive tense. ¿Qué estás comiendo? Estoy comiendo frijoles. There you go. Mario está corriendo del león. Mario is running from the lion. Scary. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. Go do the exercises online so you can get better at this. If you have any questions, let me know on the forum or send me an email. Have a good weekend. Adios.